Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. In this 49th video of FreeCAD series, we will talk about Pocket tool. And if you are new to this channel, want to cover entire FreeCAD, please make sure you check out our entire playlist that you can find out in the description of this video, as we're going to cover entire FreeCAD course for absolutely free. So make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam such that you can follow us along. Okay, so now let's come back to our topic of the day, which is how we can subtract material or create pocket in FreeCAD. For that, here what you can see is I already have open one model and I am already in part design environment, and I am assuming you are also at the same place. Now what we need to do is we first of all can create sketch. So for that, let me click on create sketch, and now let's say I would like to subtract material at this particular phase. Okay, for that, first of all, let me create sketch here and let me select the face so that we can create sketch. So let's say I would like to subtract material on this face. So first of all, I'm going to select this face and now I'm going to click on SketchUp. After I clicked on it, it seems like everything went outside the active area. So here we have this tool which is fit all. So let's click on it and that's how the area came back. Now let me create the sketch here, and just to quickly constrain it, I'm going to select all these lines and then I'm going to click on block constraint, which will make this fully constrained. Now let me click on close, and there we go, we have got the sketch. With the help of home, we would like to create cutout. Now let's click here on pocket. Now here you can see the FreeCAD is intelligent enough and then have created this particular cutout which is of 5 mm depth, which of course you can manage or change based on your requirement. And look at this, as soon as I am making this adjustment, we can also see the preview of cutout in the same go. Now there are more options available. For example, you can go symmetric. Of course you're not going to see anything above because there is nothing to subtract. Okay, so when I select symmetric to plane, just like in case of pad, the material was added both direction. In this case, material is subtracted in both direction of sketch plane. Since nothing exists on air, so that's why you do not see anything. Again, since nothing exists on air, therefore we do not see anything being subtracted from other side of sketching plane. So maybe in this particular case, symmetric to plane doesn't make any sense. So let me uncheck this. And let's also talk about different type of pocket, and here I think I can show you more compared to pad, because that time we do not had enough reference. So for example, you want this cutout to go through entire geometry, you can select through all, and now here you can see this is completely hollow and passes through entire geometry. Now there is another option which is first. So first is nothing but the first plane, and then here we already know first plane, and then whatever first face comes. So in this case, this is the first face, so that's why again you're gonna see the through all style pocket. Now here you can also kind of customize it by changing the value. So if I go minus, here you can see it is again reducing the value of cutout. If you go plus, let's say there is another entity toward this side, then the material would have subtracted on that particular entity. Now let's go next, which is up to face, where we have option or flexibility to select the face till when I would like to make cutout. So in this particular case, since I only have one face, so I can actually select this one. If there would be multiple faces, then you would have more flexibility to select the different phases. Now let's go next. Here is 2-dimension, which again is kind of symmetric, which I would say gives you flexibility to subtract material in 2 direction. And the difference between this one and symmetric one is, in this case you can actually go non-symmetric. Let's say you want to make cutout, one direction can have, let's say, 2 mm, another direction can have 3 mm. So this kind of cutout you can make with this pocket parameter, which again I would say is quite nice. And then up to the shape. So up to the shape again gives you flexibility to select even more types of entity. So in this particular case, I even can select edge and then even more different types of entity. Now let me again go back here and select dimension, And let's talk more here. So the next option here is reverse, which again is nothing but going to flip the direction of cutout or pocket. So of course, when we flip the direction of this cutout, since there is nothing on the top, so we do not see anything being removed. Then we have got this taper angle. Let's say you would like to give certain draft here. You can give, so here is the negative draft and here seems the positive, although it shows in minus value, but this is positive. Alright, so this was our pocket tool inside FreeCAD, and then we gone through all the options that it have. If you have got any questions or issue regarding this pocket tool, please do let us know in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out with it. I also will recommend you to keep practicing so that you understand this concept and then can do things by yourself, because practice is the only thing in CAD that will make you more skillful as well as will help you to understand the concept. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam, as not only you're gonna see the entire FreeCAD course here for free, but also you will see several other engineering topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.